The bench row needs 2 dumbbells or 2 kettlebells, it does not matter which, and you need a bench that is elevated off the floor enough that you can actually dangle your arms down with the weight without hitting anything. Feet can rest on the wall or simply be crossed over at the ankles, held up in the air. What we do from here is really simple. Take a big breath in and then we are going to pull the elbows back towards the ribs or the hips. Have a look at the hands here and you'll see that they are actually turning in as I pull. So palms will face towards my knees to begin with, and then as I pull, they end up in more of a neutral position with the palms facing the body. Pulling the elbows back towards the hips like this is going to let your shoulders move a lot more freely than if you were trying to pull them straight up. If you try and pull them straight up, it almost turns this into a bicep curl, and that's not what we're doing. This is a genuine horizontal pull. Think of it as the opposite of the bench press. You want a strong bench press, you're also going to need to have a strong bench pull. Drop the weights to put them down, that's the safest way. If you have been working hard enough, you are not going to have the strength to then get them back up on top with that awkward one arm pull and place it on the box. If you are in a gym that does not allow loud noises and dropping, first I suggest you go to another gym. Secondly, put yourself in a lowish box so you just have enough room but you're only an inch or two off the floor. We can use the bench row for strength and or power work, talking low reps, high loads, giving it a bit of a hold at the top there as well. And we can also use it for high rep, more endurance focused sets where we're talking 10, 15, even 20 reps. Key is to make sure that you are still controlling it the entire way. A lot of the time you get people that will just end up dropping the weights down, so they still hold it, but they just let their arms drop straight back down. That's asking for trouble. Big breaths, proper bracing, pulling back with those elbows, controlling that down no matter how many reps you're doing. And that is the bench row.